Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change item use settings in Where Winds Meet. To change the item use settings, first open the main menu by pressing the escape button or the corresponding button on your controller and go into settings right here. Then go into the game settings right here. Scroll down to the bottom and here is item use settings. Here you can enable auto switch medicine when empty, auto switch food when empty, auto switch divine craft item when empty, and auto use divine craft tool. The names are, well, self-explanatory, and I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe, as it helps our channel greatly.